Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing one of my favourite things, a little bit of DIY. Obviously at the moment in the UK we're kind of stuck inside our homes, having to stay in because of the virus. We've all been informed we must stay indoors, so obviously I'm just looking around the house trying to find things that I can do to keep me occupied. Obviously it's not hard for me to do that because I'm always doing that anyway. Today I've decided to use some black spray paint, which I've never used before. This is a nice matte black finish spray. A friend of mine recommended this to me, this particular brand, so I thought I'd give this one a shot. Now most people would usually use a primer underneath, but I've been assured by my friend he never bothered, and you know, I'm always taking shortcuts, so we'll see what happens. I'm not using a primer or a top coat, I'm literally just gonna give this a go. Now I'm doing it on some of my fixtures and fittings in the bathroom, so I've taken them off the wall. They're just some old white wooden ones that I had from Argos, and I've taken them outside and I'm going to just give them a spray with this and see how it turns out. No idea how that spray painting is going to turn out, to be honest. I just don't know if they're going to look very nice. I think the black new shelf that I bought from IKEA, that might work, but I think the old kind of Argos things, I don't know if they're going to look very good in black. I don't know. Might have to buy some new ones eventually, but... It's a few days later now since painting the bathroom fittings. I've put them back up and I think I've done a pretty good job, to be fair. It's come out quite well. So I did a good job. You literally just spray them with the paint and it's really simple, so hopefully they'll last okay. Obviously if you were doing it properly and you really wanted to make sure they were going to last and be high quality, don't take shortcuts like I did and use a primer and use a top coat over the top of it, but I'm just giving it a go just to see how long it lasts without, really. Just a cheap update. Because that went so well, I've decided to take all the handles off the kitchen cupboards and I'm going to spray paint these black as well because I thought that might look quite nice. Kind of might match in with the black on the grout lines of the fake tiles I have going on there. So yeah, I'll take them all off now and see if I can get spray painting them where the weather's nice. Whilst I'm busy and I'm super in the DIY mood, I thought I'd quickly give the cabinet in the bathroom a little update as well, just to match in with everything in the bathroom. So I'm painting this white unit from Argos with some grey wood paint from B&Q.